What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. My name is Steve. If you guys haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys are working on. I've been stimulated, got my stimulus check, so I decided to stimulate the economy a little bit since I paid my bills up, and I bought some cool things for the Integra. So, as you can see, guys, oh, my dog's chasing the cat over there. Anyway, we had snow like a week ago, and it has not gone anywhere. This is as much melting as been done. So my tires for this Civic are like super summer tires, so I'm not even gonna bother taking that out because my neighborhood is all crazy. Still very, very snowy. So I bought some pre-cut window tint, which is one of the things. This is Advanced Auto. This is headlight restoration kit. And then I have one really big thing that I bought that I've been wanting for a long time, and that should be arriving today via UPS. Pretty hyped about that. Ordered some paint so that I can paint the hood, and just need to get some clear coat. But yeah, so basically just waiting on UPS, and I'm sorry it's been so long since I posted. I just literally, I've been busy with, just been busy. So yeah, let's wait for UPS together. It's here. Yeah, let's see how it looks. Well, at least I understand the concept of this side up. You'll see this, it shouldn't be very heavy. Except, inspect before, damage before accepting. Didn't really give me much of an option. Right. Oh, there she is. Yeah. Nice. There you have it, boys. Let's cut it open. Alrighty now, boys, if you haven't guessed already, got me a new spoiler. Wow. Yes. Some tape on it though, that's okay. Wow, this is exceptionally nice. Look at that. So yeah, that's my big splurge for myself. Carbon fiber wing. I love it. I can't wait to put it on. So I'm gonna clean this mess up before anybody else gets home and sees it. Put this thing back in the box, and yeah, I guess the next video is installing this wing. All right, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Peace out, dads.